Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Koketo and today I'll be taking you guys along on a very exclusive experience. I like these exclusive experiences that I've been invited to lately. I am truly grateful. Like the fine dining experience at Maruka Castle, and then there was the fine dining experience by a shrine, and with the whole Shinto shrine experience, it was truly beautiful. Please do check out those vlogs. But today I'll be taking you guys along on a sake tasting on a moving train. I'm not sure if that's a good idea, but let's go and see what it's all about.
Echibumi Sakijinmai Daiginja was honestly my favorite for the day. It is very light, not as dry, and it's something you can drink on a daily. We then had these rice balls that were wrapped in sushi paper. It helps the onigiri or rice ball to stay fresh much longer than seaweed would. So usually they're wrapped in seaweed. Unfortunately, you can't eat the leaf, so you just had to throw it out, which is organic, I guess. So Akoya is one of the most fancy restaurants in Fukuoka, dare I say, Japan. And the food was a bit disappointing. But the interesting thing is that the pig was fed what remains after processing rice for sake. Next, we had the Hakuryu Tokubetsu Junmai, which, if you are a sake lover, you'd definitely enjoy this one. It was a favorite for most people. We've stopped at our destination, and right now we are just at this small mini exhibition house at Eheijiguchi, and then we're gonna take the train back. The tasting was great. It's Daiginjo, which is basically the best of sake. So this is the sake that uses a specific rice that has been developed for sake, and it has been polished around 50% of the rice grain it's been polished to 50% of the rice grain just to make this specific Daiginjo sake. So it's the finest of the finest, usually dry, and we just had 3 tastings, and then after that we're gonna have 3 and then go back. And the food was good. It's one of the fine dining restaurants in Fukuoka. I'd give it maybe a 7 over 10, maybe even a 6 over 10 for the food. The sake was great, obviously. I mean, it's sake. Now we're going in for part 2. Then we had the shishamo, which is essentially fish that still has its eggs. So it's pregnant fish. And the eggs are not caviar. Just so you understand, the eggs are not caviar. But the fish is pregnant and you eat the whole thing. I personally don't mind it. The eggs can be a bit bitter, like there are parts of it that can be bitter. I don't think it's the eggs, the insides of the fish that can be bitter, but I really don't mind it. Give it like a 7 over 10.
The day ended with sake from this lady's younger sister. The younger sister is only 24 years old and she's already a brewmaster, as well as the mom. It is basically a family affair sake, and it's dry but lighter, and I think the story sells it as well.